Ever pondered the secrets of generating income through the Ember Fund mining app? Welcome, friends, to a journey where we'll delve into the fascinating world of cloud mining applications. Our focal point will be the Ember Fund mining app, a platform that has piqued the curiosity of many financial freedom seekers. We'll explore its intricacies, its potential, and how it can be a treasure trove for those willing to dig. Well, you're in the right place to unravel this mystery. Firstly, understanding Ember Fund mining app is crucial. Ember Fund is a mobile application that allows anyone, anywhere, to become a cryptocurrency miner. With Ember Fund, you're not just buying and selling crypto, you're actually creating it. Think of it as your personal, portable gold mine. But instead of gold, you're mining digital assets. Ember Fund uses the concept of cloud mining, which means you don't need expensive hardware or technical knowledge. The app does all the heavy lifting for you. It's democratizing the world of crypto mining, making it accessible to everyone. One key feature that sets Ember Fund apart is its user-friendly interface. Even if you're a beginner, you'll find it easy to navigate. Plus, Ember Fund also prioritizes security. It uses advanced encryption to keep your digital assets safe. Now, compared to other apps, Ember Fund offers a more straightforward and efficient mining process. It's all about simplicity and convenience. Now that we know what Ember Fund is, let's dive into how you can make money with it. The process is simple and straightforward. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process of making money with the Ember Fund mining app. Firstly, you'll need to download and install the Ember Fund app. It's available on both Android and iOS platforms. Once you've got it installed on your device, you'll need to set up an account. This is a breeze, requiring just a few basic details like your name, email address, and a password. The second step is to familiarize yourself with the app. Take some time to navigate through the various features and sections. The Ember Fund app is user-friendly and intuitive, but getting acquainted with it will help you maximize your earnings. Now it's time to deposit some cryptocurrency into your account. This is the third step. You can do this by transferring from another wallet or by purchasing directly within the app. Remember, you need money to make money, and this initial deposit will be your seed capital. The fourth step is all about strategy. Ember Fund offers a variety of investment strategies, each with different risk levels and potential returns. You can choose from pre-built strategies or customize your own. Make sure to pick a strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. The fifth step is to start mining. Once you've chosen your strategy, the app does the rest. It uses your deposited funds to mine cryptocurrencies. The best part is you don't need any technical knowledge or expensive hardware. The app does all the work for you. The sixth and final step is to monitor your investment. The Ember Fund app provides real-time data and analytics so you can keep track of your earnings. If you're not satisfied with your returns, you can always change your strategy. Remember, patience is key. Crypto mining is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term investment that requires time and patience. But with smart strategies and persistent effort, you can achieve substantial returns. With these steps, you're well on your way to making money using the Ember Fund mining app. But there's more to it than just following steps. To truly maximize your earnings with Ember Fund mining, you need to know a few insider tips and tricks. Firstly, timing is everything. Just like the stock market, crypto prices fluctuate during different times of the day. So it's beneficial to mine when the crypto value is at its peak. To do this, keep an eye on crypto trends and adjust your mining schedule accordingly. Secondly, beware of common pitfalls like overmining. Yes, there is such a thing as too much mining. Overmining can lead to reduced returns and even damage to your mining hardware. So, always ensure you're mining at a sustainable rate. Lastly, leverage the features of the Ember Fund app. It's not just a mining tool, it's a comprehensive platform with features like real-time tracking and predictive analysis. Utilizing these features can significantly boost your earnings. These tips and tricks will help you get the most out of your Ember Fund mining experience. So, are you ready to dive into the world of Ember Fund mining? This is a world where you can mine free crypto coins and where financial freedom is not just a dream, but an achievable reality. It's a world that's waiting for you to explore. It's a world where the sky's the limit, and all you need to do is take that first step. Don't wait. Start your Ember Fund mining journey today and pave the way to your financial freedom.